When you've got a crawl space with a dirt floor, it's a problem. You've got a hole in the ground. A hole was dug in the ground, the hole's trying to fill with water. Proper drainage is how you keep the groundwater out. We got a product called Smart Pipe that's designed specifically for crawl spaces, and we would put that drainage piping around the perimeter, and we bring that to a sump and pump the water out. That addresses the groundwater. The moisture in a crawl space that's coming up out of that soil gets sucked up through the house, and it can cause all kinds of problems. As far as we're concerned, a dirt crawl space needs to be repaired. We put a drainage matting down first, but then we put a 20 mil liner material down called Clean Space. It's a nice white material, it's very durable, and it seals that moisture off from the rest of the crawl space environment, and that moisture can't get brought up through the house anymore. If you've got just a dirt crawl space, as this moisture gets sucked up through the house, mold can grow. If your family has a lot of asthma or illnesses, it just really can compound that. There can be a huge amount of structural damage. The whole floor system could need to get rebuilt. You gotta look at air sealing. Where the cell plate sets on the wall, you gotta make sure you're not getting a large amount of air infiltration through there. There's always gonna be some amount of air infiltration, but if those gaps can get air sealed up, a lot less outside air will be drawn into the crawl space and sucked into the house. The vents that people have been putting in has been the code for years and years. Actually contributes to this problem. So we actually have a patented vent cover that we can put right on over the vent. The last thing we would look at is dehumidification. If you've got a below grade space, it's good to see what's going on in there and make sure that you don't have issues that should be addressed before it gets to the point that you've got to do some major repairs. Getting the crawl space fixed is very important.